All right, new arrival, 1986 911 Carrera Cabriolet in triple black. So black exterior, black top, black leather interior. This car has been loved since day one, long-term ownership. Second owner bought it from the original owner only about 5 years ago. So it stayed with the original owner for many, many years. You can tell that it was absolutely loved from day one. A lot of good indications that this car has never been abused. Of course, you see the Fuke wheels that over the years, you use the wrong cleaning material on this stuff, like acid or anything. This all gets messed up and gets acid etched. These are like perfect condition. And it's got a manual top, which is pretty good. Is one less thing you have to worry about with the power top breaking on you. It's in excellent condition. This car was also ordered with a full tonneau. You can see the little snaps right there, little rivets that snap in the full tonneau. Also ordered with short shift kit and the race steering hub. Interior is in immaculate condition. This is a partial leather car. You can see the carpeting, everything is nice and plush. All the touch points aren't all, even the pockets are great condition, nothing's broken because it only has 14,686 documented miles. Again, bone stock, including the radio. It is a 915 car, and it drives really, really nice. Beautiful condition inside out. Comes with the COA, the full tonneau cover, compressor toolkit, stamp booklet, all the goodies. 2 sets of keys as well. And it's all original paint. It's been covered from nose to tail, from the entire car, in paint protection film to maintain it. And again, gorgeous car, 1986, triple black, Carrera convertible with only 14,000 miles.